pictorial evidences that shows that Damola Olatunji is the father of Dayo Amusa's son. If you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. The internet has been abuzz with speculations about the paternity of Nollywood actress Dayo Amusa's newborn, with actor Damola Olatunji at the center of the rumors. The controversy gained traction after Olatunji attended Amusa's private naming ceremony, sharing a video of himself holding the baby and posing with Amusa and her family. This video quickly sparked public curiosity, with many fans questioning whether Olatunji is the child's father. Adding to the speculation, a follower directly asked Olatunji on social media if he was the father. His playful response, "Abiu, seriously serious," only intensified the discussions, though it was not a confirmation. Olatunji, who separated from actress Bukola Arugba in 2023, has not officially commented further on the matter. Dayo Amusa, meanwhile, has remained tight-lipped about the identity of her child's father, addressing the public's curiosity without revealing specifics. Reports indicate that the actual father may be living abroad, further adding mystery to the situation. As the debate continues, many in the entertainment industry, including fellow actress Toyin Abraham, have publicly congratulated Amusa on her new addition. However, both actors involved have yet to issue any clarifications regarding the ongoing rumors.